Hello and welcome to norad4u.com. Hello and welcome to norad4u.com. My name is Amir Bornstein, and today we're going to talk about the first steps in handling electromagnetic hypersensitivity. Step number 1, quit using your cell phone. Your cell phone is the main source of radio frequency radiation and exposure, and this one is turned off. It's not radiating right now. It's the main source, and most of the people today that come to me for help are using this device as a main, if not only, communication device. So stop using the cell phone, and that should be done right away. Second step is install a landline phone and a landline internet connection to your house. Third step would be to install and to build a low EMF exposure PC station, either using a stationary computer or a mobile computer, both connected wiredly to the wired internet connection that we did in the former step. Next step will be to start learning via our guides and our tutorials in the website about EMF, about exposure reduction, about measuring, about handling EHS from our site. Fourth step is to buy an EMF meter. An EMF meter will allow you to see the radiation, understand where it's coming from, find sources of radiation inside your house, and find penetration points from which radiation, mainly RF radiation, is coming into your house. Next step will be to use the EMF meter to find sources inside the house. Now, radio frequency emitting sources should be handled in a way that you turn off the transmission from the sources, or get another device that does not radiate. Low frequency sources should be moved away. You should move away from them, or they should be taken out of the electric socket so they will stop radiating. Next step is to use the RF meter, the EMF meter again, in order to find penetration points of radio frequency and low frequency magnetic fields into your house, and then from neighbors or from infrastructure outside or from cell towers, and then use protection means and protection equipment in order to block this radiation from coming into your house. So those are the basic steps. Stop using your cell phone right away. Install landline phone, landline internet connection. Install a wired PC station, low EMF PC station. Start reading from the site, start learning from the site. Buy a meter, an EMF meter. Use the meter to find sources inside the house and reduce exposure to them, and then to find source penetration points or radiation coming into your house, and then blocking them. That's all. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Minimize the use of smartphones and wireless devices before the use will minimize you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.